From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
It's been a rocky afternoon and evening with showers and thunderstorms across the area and some flooding in many places, especially in northwest Alabama, but things will be settling down overnight. Here's the hourly forecast, dipping down toward the low to mid 60s with overcast skies as we head toward daybreak. A few showers and thunderstorms lingering for the next few hours, possible in some spots, and then fading away as we head deeper into the overnight. But we do this all over again tomorrow, except it might be a couple hours later on the clock tomorrow than what it has been today. Here's the Futurecast breakdown showing another round of showers and thunderstorms possible back in North Mississippi that moves into the area. I think things just fade away as we head deeper into the overnight here, but can't rule out some additional rain through daybreak, but there's not going to be a whole lot of it. As we move through tomorrow, midday and afternoon, we get some daytime heating here with some breaks in the cloud cover. We warm back up into the low to mid 80s across the area, and then pop-up showers and thunderstorms start in the afternoon, and then by late afternoon or early evening, and it could be a little earlier than what Futurecast shows here, we see another one of these slow-moving, organized band of showers and thunderstorms moving into the area into late tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, early overnight. And you have to remember that some areas have seen as much as 2 to 5 inches of rain earlier today, and we have more rain, heavy rain coming tomorrow evening. So there's likely to be some more localized flooding issues in places across southern Middle Tennessee and northwest Alabama, northeast Mississippi as we head through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night. So there may be additional flash flood warnings. And just like earlier today, a few storms could produce small hail or gusty winds. That could happen on any late spring or summer afternoon with thunderstorms. So there could also be some additional severe thunderstorm warnings, but I don't think that's a big threat, and I'm not expecting a tornado threat, but some gusty winds of 40 to 60 miles per hour with a few storms, and maybe some dime to quarter size hail with a couple of the strongest storms as well. And then things gradually fade away deeper into the overnight, but more showers and thunderstorms possible Friday, although they may be a bit more isolated. And then they start to ramp up in coverage again over the weekend, especially as we head the second half of the weekend and that next frontal boundary approaches, and that gives us better chances of showers and thunderstorms. Lower 80s for the next few days, and then we get warmer ahead of that front over the weekend, mid to upper 80s on Saturday, upper 80s, if not lower 90s in spots on our Sunday, and then behind the front, we may be talking about mid to upper 70s for a few days by early next week. So as you grab your first cup of coffee on the way out the door tomorrow morning, mostly cloudy, overcast to begin the day. Can't completely rule out a morning shower, but most of the rain waits until midday in the afternoon, and then after that to kick up. Here's your hourly forecast. And you see the 80% chance of rain there on the chart, but you notice that the rain chances don't really ramp up until the afternoon and evening, although there could be an isolated shower as early as the morning. Daytime highs in the lower 80s tomorrow, and again, a couple of the storms could be strong tomorrow afternoon and evening. And I do think, because we already saw flooding today and additional heavy rain tomorrow afternoon and evening, there could be some more localized flash flooding issues across the area tomorrow afternoon and evening, which means you're going to have to be alert to the possibility of some flash flood warnings as we go forward. And then scattered showers and thunderstorms right on through the weekend into Monday. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm Tuesday as well. I do think we start to dry out as we head closer to Wednesday, and maybe back down to the middle 70s by then as well. There's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna's in the Weather Center tomorrow morning with another check of your local weather.